Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawofattractionblueprint.com. And in today's video, I'll be going over another Neville Goddard technique that you can use to manifest anything that's on your mind right now. It could be money, it could be the love of your life, it could be a new house, a new car. It doesn't matter. As long as you get the technique down and you apply it the way you're supposed to, you should see results. If there is something on your mind right now that you would like to manifest, go ahead and give this video a like. And in the comments, leave a comment and say, what is your favorite thing that you have manifested so far? It does not have to be anything big, but we're here to motivate each other and lift each other up. And of course, I have a testimonial that was sent into my email that I would like to share with you guys for motivational purposes. This one is pretty dope because they got 2 manifestations in one. Okay, it says, thank you for your videos. I have been watching them for like a year now. I've been able to manifest a few good things into my life. I went into the gas station and purchased a $2 ticket for the lottery and ended up winning $1 million. I did fill out your winning the lottery scripting packet about 2.5 months ago. I also filled out your dream house one. With my earnings, I will be able to buy my dream home. So congratulations. I think that is amazing and super dope. And it kind of goes with my saying how one manifestation can help you get other things. And my law of attraction tools will be available in the link in my description box. It includes my guided scripting sheets. I have over 16 different subjects. How to manifest ebook, raise your vibration audio. Everything is for instant download. I have people all over the world subscribe to my channel, and that is the easiest way to get my materials to everybody. So it'll be in the link in my description box, and you can access it at any time. Now, let's get into this technique. This technique is called the eavesdropping technique. You remember when you were younger and the adults were in the other room and they were talking about adult stuff or stuff that we just couldn't hear. For my era, kids could not be in the room when adults were talking. We had to go play. We had to go outside. We had to, we couldn't be in our parents' mouths when they were having certain conversations, right? So with this technique, what you would do is you will visualize, but I'm going to tell you what to visualize. This is pretty much what the eavesdropping technique is about. You are around the corner in the house. You are somewhere where people cannot see you, but you can hear what people are saying in the other room. But the conversation that is happening is they are talking about everything that you have accomplished, right? And everything that you have accomplished is everything that you want to manifest, right? So say you're coming around the corner and they don't see you. You're visualizing all of this. They don't see you, and say your mom or dad or your aunt or your grandparent or even a group of friends are in the other room and you're spying on them and they're saying, hey, I can't believe how Amber really bought that new Ferrari. I can't believe how I'm so proud of her. I cannot believe how she just bought that huge house. I can't believe how she just graduated from college at the top of her class. I can't believe how she has a 4.0. Did you know that she passed that test with 100? Did you know, people are gossiping about all of your accomplishments. And your accomplishments are the things that you want to manifest. You could even take it a step further with love. Say you are trying to manifest the love of your life, and you hear people around the corner that know you, and they're talking about how good this person treats you, maybe how you guys met, when the wedding is, maybe you guys are going on a dream vacation, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. Visualize you spying on people, you're eavesdropping on people that care about you. And you hear them, you know what their voices sound like. You hear them talking about you accomplishing the things that you want to manifest as if it has already happened. As you guys know, I am a huge fan of visualizing. And what I recommend doing is you visualize this, you calm your mind, you clear your mind, you take a few deep breaths. When you're falling asleep, visualize and you hear the voices of these people and what they're saying. And as you're drifting off to sleep, that is a scenario that's playing over and over in your head. But I am Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 60,000 of you guys. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And remember, my law of attraction tools, my scripting worksheets are going to be linked in my description box below. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.